I am here on the course homepage of a class that I am taking at FLCC. And if I want to check any feedback or check the answers on a quiz, where I would want to go really is to class progress, which is up here in the navigation bar, or the green stripe that's up here. So I'm going to click on class progress. And then over here on the left, I'm going to come over and click on quizzes. And this takes me to a nice list of my quizzes, and I can see the grade that I got out of how many points the grade was. And if I want to see any of the feedback on this, I can click here on details, and it will show me all of the attempts that I may have had on the course, on the quiz. So if you only get one attempt, then you can click right here on the quiz name itself. But if there are multiple attempts that you want to look at, you can click on whichever attempt you want to look at. And what this does is this will pull up the quiz itself. And if the instructor has set it so that you can see feedback and quiz answers, you would see it in this view right here. Now, the class I'm taking, those things have not been enabled, and I can email the instructor and ask them to do that. They may not know that. But coming back to class progress, I'm going to again click on quizzes, and this time I'm going to go to a quiz that I'm pretty sure was automatically graded. And I'm going to click on attempt. Oh, and as you can see here, there are some quiz questions that are very slowly loading for me, but there are some quiz questions that I may not have gotten the answer correct for. And so this is displaying to me quiz number 6 at 18 out of 20 points. And if I scroll down, I will see anything that the instructor may have said right here under question 6 feedback. So it might be like this, and you may have to click on the arrow to see the feedback there, but I can see the question of the quiz itself. My question came with a video I had to watch. I can see my answer here, my answer is, and then I can see the feedback down here. And so this is how you can view your feedback on a quiz. If you close out of this, it takes you back to this quiz submission screen. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of that word. And you may be able to see all of your attempts, and then you can go back and look at the feedback on all of your attempts. But in our class, the class progress link is the place to go if you want to see any feedback, any grades, anything like that. And anything that you're looking for would be over here from the left-hand side menu. You can look at all of the case studies, you can see a breakdown of just your grades itself, and you can look at your quizzes. Why do I use progress summary, or why do I use class progress? Because grades does not show you things that you've handed in but haven't been graded. And that's why I force you into using the class progress. Sorry.